My topic is polynomial. Polynomial. And what is polynomial? Polynomial are algebraic expressions made up of one or more terms of a particular types. So standard form of polynomial. Standard form of polynomial. What is standard form of polynomial? Fx equal to a0xn plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 up to here. I can write last term is an x to the power n minus 1. So here you can see first a0 x to the power n, then a1 x to the power n minus 1, and then a2 x to the power n minus 2 dash dash up to an x to the power n minus 1. Coefficient of polynomial. Coefficient. What are the coefficient? So here the coefficient of polynomial is a constant value. Here a0, a1, a2 and dash dash an are real number, and these are the constant. And a cannot be, here a cannot be 0. Here now leading coefficient. What is leading coefficient? A0 is a leading coefficient. Here A0 is a leading coefficient because I am starting with A0, that's why it is a leading coefficient. If Px is polynomial, zeros of the polynomial are those value of x. So for example, here I have example px equal to x square minus 3x plus 4. Here the coefficient of x square, cannot be 0. If coefficient of x square equal to 0, then it is not a quadratic equation. So here I have a example x square minus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. And if I factorize this one, x square 4 minus 1, splitting middle terms, plus 4 equal to 0, and x square minus 4x plus 1x, and here I have minus minus plus, it is negative 4, it's negative 4, and here it is negative 4, and then this is minus 4 equal to 0, x common, x minus 4 plus 1 common, x minus 4 equal to 0, x minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 4 and x equal to 1. The value of x equal to 1 and 4. These are my zeros or roots of this quadratic equation. Now relation between zeros and coefficient of quadratic polynomial. So here I have a quadratic polynomial px equal to ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a quadratic polynomial, and ax square plus bx plus 0, it is quadratic equation. It is quadratic equation and it is quadratic polynomial. So here a cannot be 0. If it is 0, then it is not a quadratic polynomial. So here, because here I have x square, so here the value of x will be 2, and it is also quadratic equation, so it means I will get 2 zeros. The value of x equal to the value of x, it means number of zeros will be 2. So here I have there are 2 zeros. Let alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial. So there is a relation between alpha and beta. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta equal to c upon a. This is the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x, coefficient of x, and coefficient constant, and this is constant term, and here b upon a, coefficient of x, coefficient of x, and here coefficient of x square, and here this is constant term and coefficient of x square So here I can make a quadratic equation. So px equal to, I can write px equal to x square sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So here my final equation will be px equal to x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. So this is my quadratic polynomial. Now number of zeros from the graph. Number of zeros. Here I have a graph x dash, y and y dash. You can see there is no point of intersection in x-axis. The number of zeros equal to 0. It is zero polynomial. And degree of zero polynomial, degree of zero polynomial cannot defined. Now here I have another graph. This is only one point of intersection. This is point of intersection. It is a linear polynomial. It is number of zeros, first number of zeros equal to 1. It is linear polynomial. Now here I have another graph. So here I have 2 points of intersection. Number of zeros equal to 2. It is quadratic polynomial. So standard form of quadratic polynomial, px equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Or here a cannot be 0.